Marion, what made you decide to attend the NSD 2025 event?
Christel, I've been scrapbooking for many years. Previously we had international scrapbooking conventions, and after that, when we started with our NSDs in South Africa, I never missed one, and every year seemed to be better than the year before. I enjoy it tremendously, so that is something that is on my calendar every year. I will keep on attending as long as I am scrapbooking or journaling. I'm a paper crafter.
Hi Vilma. Can you tell us, how would you describe the overall atmosphere of the detective themed event you attended this year, the National Scrapbook Day?
Christel, I love dressing up. So for me, it was a wonderful experience. The hall looked very nice, and the people that dressed up really played along with your theme. So that was a very, very good experience to me. I love theme experiences.
May I ask you another question, please? Did the search for the missing scrapbook tool activity that we did gave you some enjoyment?
Yes, that was lovely. It really made me think, and I had to really think about everything that you put on, and that was very good. I did that.
Hi Vera, what did you think of the food and drinks we offered at the National Scrapbook Day event this year?
It was great and lovely and tasty en was baie lekker geweest. Ons het lekker geëet en gedrink en hulle het regtig baie moeite gedoen. So ons sien uit na die volgendes, maar daai was heerlik geweest. Ons het dit regtig almal baie geniet.
So, can you also tell us what was your favorite snack or drink that you received on the day? Goed, antwoord.
Yeah, that was so nice. I actually, when we were finished with everything, I think the popcorn came, we thought, goodness gracious me, we can't eat anymore, but it was so nice, and the snacks really were super. Thank you very much.
Hi Joy, did you discover any new products or new fabulousness at the pop-up shops when you attended the NSD event this year?
Goed idee. Ek het 'n sak gekoop, 'n skrapboeksak wat ek saam met my sleep.
Ja, maar
Dit was
praat nog. Nee, sê vir my wat het tannie gedink van die winkeltjies? Was dit lekker om by die
winkeltjies is baie lekker. Die winkeltjies is baie lekker geweest. Ek het soos altyd geniet ek om te browse en te koop en te doen. Dit was lekker.
Would you like us to add something in 2026?
Food is pas ons nou nie lekker. Wat doen ek nou nooit opstaan?
Kan jy nie iets sou skryf nie?
Ek kan
Of
nou
'n
nie
mooi
dink.
woordjie daar.
Is daar ietsie wat tannie wil hê ons moet anders doen met die pop-up shops?
Nee, dit was vir my perfek geweest. Ek het dit geniet. So ja. Ek kan nie dink aan iets anders nie. Ek kan bykom nie.
Marion, please can you tell us, how did you find the venue in terms of space, comfort and accessibility?
Die venue was vir my baie sentraal, lekker parkering, groot genoeg, die tafeluitleg was baie lekker. Ons kon lekker beweeg en met ons maters kuier. Ek dink die venue is 'n sukses. Ons kan regtig dink om weer soontoe te gaan.
So, what was one thing that you loved about the location of the venue?
The parking right in front of the building.
Yes.
Fabulous. Did you enjoy the themed photo spots we had at the National Scrapbook Day in this year, Vera?
Yes, it was so cute. I loved the backdrop. It looked like a little shop and everything. And the photographer was very nice, very nice. And we all were dressed according to the theme, and that made it very special. I've still got the photos, and I mean, it's memories, memories, memories. That's what it's about.
So what prop or photo opportunity spot was the best for you?
Well, there were many, but I preferred the one with the backdrop. It was very nice. It made the picture complete for me. I really enjoyed the backdrop one.
Wilna, did the prizes excite you of the lucky draws?
Ek is mal oor 'n lucky draw. Dis vir my die lekkerste ding ever. Ek dink altyd ek gaan nie wen nie en dan roep hulle my naam en dan is ek so excited. So lucky draws en die pryse was awesome wat ons gewen het. So lucky draws was baie lekker. Please do it again.
Okay, so would you suggest something different for 2026?
Keep it the same. Dit was baie lekker. Lekker as dit so deur die hele dag gaan. Ek geniet dit nogal as jy kort iemand oproep en sê dat hy want something. Waar as mense dit agter mekaar doen dan verloor mense interest. So dis lekker as jy dit deur die dag net kort iemand oproep en sê jy het gewen. Dis baie lekker.
So Vera, our next theme is friends. Wat sal jy graag wil sien moet ons vir julle doen by die Friends tema vir National Scrapbook 2026?
Ek sal graag teruggevat wil word na die tyd wat Friends op die TV was. Ek praat nou nie van al die nuwe goed bygekom nie. Wat my seun in matriek was en wat hulle tema op Friends was. En dit sal wonderlik wees as ons daai hele setup van hulle weer kan kry. Ou Joey, shame, wat is die ou wat oorlede is? Hy's nie meer daar nie. Maar daai dom blond en almal van hulle, ag, dit sal net lekker wees. So ek wil daai goedjies wat ek regtig dit moet vir my uitstaan.
Okay. Tannie Joy?
Die tema gaan vir my oor vriendskap en vriende. En ja, dit sal lekker wees om ons vriende wat mekaar ken by mekaar te kan hê. Want dan dit skep 'n beter atmosfeer ook, want dan kan ons gesels en kuier en praat van dinge wat ons saam beleef.
Nice. Marion?
Vriende, koffie, lekker kos. Soos wat daar vir hierdie jaar ook was. Julle kan so voordoen, maar waar daar vriende is en lekker kos, kan ons net lekker kuier.
Ola. Wilna?
Wat van so lekker gitaar en sing ons Smelly Cat saam met Phoebe. Of iemand kan dit sing, sy was lekker vals, maar dit sal nogal cool wees en lekker koffie, verseker koffie, want dit gaan als oor Central Perk en Friends. Ek dink dit kan baie lekker wees. En verder net kuier.
Okay, another question, sorry. So any special activities, food ideas or photo setups that you would recommend us giving you?
I think that coffee and muffin thing would be very nice. It will give us a coffee shop. And what about a little table in the corner that looks like a Central Perk coffee table where people can take photos? En net pret hê. Ek dink dit sal werk.
Marion?
Of 'n lekker couch, waar ons net kan sit as ons 'n bietjie moeg is.
Okay,
En koffie drink.
En aan.
Ja nee, wat dit gaan in elk geval. Ek weet dit gaan 'n lekker kuier wees. So friends en vriende. Dit maak die ding. Dit maak die ding en dit maak dit lekker en ja, dit gaan maar net lekker wees. Ons wil regtig nie uitmis daarop uit nie. En ek sien baie uit daarna.
A last question. Would you invite your friends and family to join us next year?
Do you know what? My friends are there. If I get a new friend, I'll invite her. But I wish I could have my sister there because she misses out every year. She stays in Cape Town and she really misses out. So June, if you could be there, my heart shall fall this.
Would you invite someone to come with?
If I can, yes. As ek iemand extra nog kan kry, miskien kry ek iemand aan intussen tyd wat ook belangstel in wat ons doen, dan sal ek graag iemand wil saamnooi.
Definitely my friends, but not my family.
Ek sal graag vriende wil saamnooi. As ek hulle net kan aan die scrap kry of aan die journal kry, dan sal ek hulle verseker saamnooi. En al ken ek het baie vriende daar buite wat ek weet scrap, so vir hulle nooi ek ook en vertel hulle hoe spesiaal is dit.
Hi there friends, hope you're doing well. So today at the Paper Escape, I ambushed my friends with a couple of questions and asked them how they felt about the detective themed National Scrapbook Day that we had this year and what they think we should do for next year. So this was totally unscripted. I ambushed them, so they didn't know the questions beforehand. They didn't even know they're going to have an interview today. So they weren't very happy with me because I took a bit of their scrapping time away. So we have some awesome things up our sleeves already. We've been planning a while. It's all coming together very nicely, but we'd love to hear from you as well and get inspired by your thoughts. So if you can comment below and tell us what you think we should do, and then we cannot wait to see you as friends at our friends event. So we're gonna count down the days pretty soon because can you believe it, we're already almost in October. Please let us know if you have any questions, and then we'll chat soon. We love you. Bye.